Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and in today's training video we will be discussing 10 very important tips for all new day traders, so stay right there.
To become a successful day trader, you'll need to accept and respect the following rules indisputably. Don't read too much instructional material at the start. Stick with a single book. Information overload will take you out of focus and confuse you. The Market Whisperer, an Amazon bestseller, is an excellent choice for new day traders. Find an experienced mentor who could walk you through your initial steps or join a course. Self-study is not a sufficient solution. Just as driving can't be learned only by reading a textbook, so it is with trading. Before trading with real money, trade a demo system that will let you practice, but don't use the demo for more than a few days. Using it for longer creates the dangerous illusion that you're immune to any kind of psychological effects resulting from the pressures of trading in real money. Join a proprietary trading team and get a funded account that you can trade without risking your own money, or open an account with a broker and deposit a sum suited to your financial abilities. Don't risk a sum of money that will endanger your financial status. A too large amount will cause you tremendous psychological pressure and lead you to break discipline. Don't trade alone. Join an online trading room. Listen to what experienced traders have to say, and then try to emulate their actions. In time, use the trading room to develop your own trading system. The TradeNet Trading Room is an excellent choice. You can start with the free 14-day trial. Trade in small quantities. Only when you have greater control and stable profitability should you increase the amount. Don't overtrade. Limit the number of your trades of 5 trades per day. Overtrading is one of the main reasons for losing control and discipline. Keep a trading diary in which you list every action you take with notes and conclusions. Be prepared to lose money. Trading is a hard profession to learn. Keep in mind that most traders lose money during their first trading year. Read your introductory day trading book a second time once you have some experience. Only in the second reading, after you have traded with real money, you will truly understand the significance of the information.